If you want to find someone on Telegram using their username, this is the fastest and most effective method. First, open the Telegram app and tap on the search icon at the top. In the search bar, type the exact username of the person you're looking for. Make sure you enter it correctly, because even a small mistake can show completely different results. Now, Telegram will display some results instantly. But here's something important. These are usually limited results based on your contacts or recent activity. Search option. This allows you to explore all public usernames available on Telegram, not just the ones in your contacts. Scroll through the list and carefully look for the correct profile. Pay attention to the username, profile picture, and any additional details to make sure you're selecting the right person. Once you find the correct account, simply tap on it to open the profile, and you can start chatting right away. So, yeah, that's how you can quickly find people on Telegram using the global search feature.